welcome to another Tax Tip Thursday. It's Timothy Wingate Jr., your licensed enrolled agent. I have a lot of information to share, but I'm not going to share it all on this one video because there's a lot of things that's coming down from the IRS in regards to the coronavirus and tax extensions and those type of things. So, but right now I kind of want to address some of the more recent news with the IRS mentioning that they will give businesses credit for paid leave of absence being paid to employees. Also, they said that they will give you money back as a tax credit to offset some of your payroll taxes. So let's think about this. There's a couple things that needs to happen for you to qualify for these tax credits and things that are going to help you in your small business. Number one, you need employees. So if you are self-employed, sole proprietor, single member LLC, don't have any employees, don't have an employee handbook to show documentation that you do have a leave of absence policy, or I would even say, have something written to show that you did enact a leave of absence policy to just cover your bases to make sure that you're able to take advantage of this tax credit. The other thing is, so usually this is going to probably fit more of the S corporations, C corporations that are out there. If you have employees and they have to be home for some related reason to the coronavirus, whether they're taking care of their children at home, they're taking care of a spouse or family member who's suffering from who's been exposed to the coronavirus, if they themselves been exposed to the coronavirus and they need to stay home and on paid leave of absence, then the government's saying, hey, go ahead and pay them for their paid leave for being out up to 80 hours. This is what the government's going to reimburse back, and then we're going to give you some tax credits. So, well, how can I get the tax credit? Do I have to wait till I file my taxes? Do I have to submit a certain, special documentation to the IRS? How is it that, I will get this tax credit? Well, if you're paying payroll taxes every quarter, this is the document that they're going to use to give you this tax credit. Now, you may be saying, okay, so is it going to be, separate money that's actually deposited into my bank account? Sorry to tell you, but no, it's not going to be separate money that's going to actually hit your bank account. You will never see this money hit your bank account. It's nothing physical that's going to happen or tangible that you're going to see with that's going to hit your account. But what you will do is you may feel the impact of it, because if you're running payroll as normal and you're paying people, then you're required to withhold federal income taxes, Social Security, and Medicare. And so the federal government is saying, since you're already obligated to withhold those taxes and then you're obligated to pay them every quarter, what we're going to do is we're going to offset that. So what it's going to look like is, let's say you normally owe $10,000. You're going to owe $10,000 for this first quarter. January, February, March, you're going to owe $10,000 in payroll taxes. So let's say during that time you also paid in leave, paid leave time, you paid $5,000. So you paid $5,000 out as paid leave, and then also you but you were obligated to pay $10,000 worth of payroll taxes. So once you file that payroll tax return, that's the 941, once you file that form, the IRS is going to see, that you paid those taxes, and then the next quarter, so you have to wait another 3 months. The next quarter, you're going to receive a tax credit offsetting your second quarter taxes, because they see that you paid $10,000. You issue paid leave of $5,000. They're going to take that $5,000 and apply it to your next payroll tax return, which is for the second quarter. So if you owe $10,000 again in the second quarter, then you're only going to have to pay $5,000, because you will have this $5,000 tax credit that went over to the second quarter and offset the next $10,000. Do you see that? So the money never hits your bank, but you'll end up just paying less money out. And this is how it's going to help you. So it's not like you're getting an instant boost of cash flow. You still need money in the bank to take care of payroll taxes for this quarter, which is January, February, March. And then you need to have money still set aside for April, May, June. And then, wait and see how this thing is going to offset. I don't know exactly if there's going to be a box on the 941 to check off, or they're going to automatically do it. There's still some information being disseminated to us as professionals to see how this is going to happen logistically. But what I'm still urging that you guys be responsible with your cash. Make sure you have the cash ready to pay payroll taxes. Those of you who are not paying payroll taxes and not filing your 941s, and sorry, you're just not gonna take advantage of this tax credit. So you need to be in compliance. You need to be filing your 941 quarterly tax reports. You need to be paying your payroll taxes on time. All these different things to qualify and get this credit. So I hope that this was helpful. Again, if you have any questions about this particular time, I want you to reach out to me, put some comments in this video. I'm also going to be doing some other little things here, because I kind of want to give you some business advice as well. So tune in, to my YouTube channel, my Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. I'm on all those platforms, and I look forward to seeing you on those platforms. And so that way you can kind of keep up with me. I can keep up with you, and hopefully I'm sharing some valuable information to help you navigate this time. I know how difficult it can be, but just hang in there, stick in there. This soon will pass. Just like everything else, it soon will pass. All right, until next time, take care.